Hey guys, welcome back to our tech, and in this video we're going to be talking about 5 smartphone accessories that I use in my daily life. Okay, so first up we have a smartphone cleaner, since cleaning and sanitization is pretty important nowadays. This is from Portronics. It has a matte finish and a hole in between for the liquid to be sprayed onto the smartphone. The unique part of this is this microfiber padding on it. It's the black part is the microfiber padding. So how you use it is, take your phone, as you can see my phone is pretty greasy and covered with fingerprints, so you just spray the liquid in it on the phone and you go with one pass. And I recommend using this without the case to get a cleaner finish. As you can see, when I have removed my case, so all the fingerprint, all the grease is gone and it's as good as new. So it's a really convenient thing to use, and if you get it right, it just cleans it in one go. And it's refillable, so if you just push this out of the bottom, you get the tank where the liquid is stored. So you can unscrew the cap of it and fill in maybe lens solution or soap water or just water, depending on your preference. The second product is the Maono lavalier microphone. So it comes in this tiny little bag with the Maono logo on top. Once you open it, we have the microphone itself. It has quite a long cable, about 4 to 5 feet, so it is long enough to shoot videos of yourself and things like that, which I'll show you in a bit. There's the microphone and also has a wind muff onto it. And on the inside we also get a clip to attach it to any clothing or anything like that while recording, and a gold plated adapter. So I'm not sure why the adapter is used, but it has been given, so I guess that's a plus point. And you will also see that in the coming video the difference, where the phone's microphone doesn't capture as much detail as this
here
microphone.
we have a clip without the microphone and directly recorded in the phone, and my phone is about 4 to 5 feet away from me. So this is the clip using the microphone. I've attached it to my shirt with the clip that came with it, and there should be a significant difference than the previous video.
Here we have a smartphone zoom lens. This is a 12 times zoom lens, and it's pretty common nowadays since smartphone photography has increased by quite a lot. So this is a 12 times zoom lens, again a plastic body. So you just remove the protection cover at the back and at the front, and you just put on the clip. This is the easier one to use since you don't have to put on a case to your smartphone specifically for these lenses. You just clip it on, align it and clip it on, so it's convenient that way. But you still have to find the right location to clip it on, otherwise you'll be missing the lens. So once you clip on the lens, you can point it at your subject and adjust the focus of it. Now let me just show you some examples of me using the lens. So this is the main camera at 1 times zoom. This is the main camera with 10 times zoom, and here is the main camera at 1 times zoom but with the 12 times zoom lens. So the clarity, as you can see, is pretty good, and you don't lose any of that clarity once you zoom through it. And while storage, just you unscrew the clip, put back the caps, and maybe wipe it once with the microfiber cloth given. It comes with a microfiber cloth, so maybe wipe the lens once and then you can just store it away in your cupboard. The fourth product is an adjustable stand, and as you can see it's really compact and easy to carry because of the foldable design. The hinge are solid hinges and it's just a basic desk stand, but it can be really handy and I'll show you why in a minute. So on the desk, it's a neat looking one. If you prefer something without the hinges, that is also available online, so you can just look that up. So this has really solid hinges. You can probably keep a tablet on it too, and it is super adjustable. Both the hinges go 180 degrees, so you can basically keep your phone almost however you want. And it's really easy to charge your phone too with this. Even though most phones comes with wireless charging nowadays and you have a wireless charging stand itself, but for phones that don't come with it, you can just put the cable through the slot there, and the stand too has a slot where the USB port is there on most phones at least, and that will help you charge the phone too. The fifth and last product is also a stand, but not of a stand, it's a holder. So it's a flexible holder. This right here is the phone holder, and this is the flexible part of it. You just unscrew this and put these teeth to grab any, suppose a table or the edge of a chair, and you tighten it down and it will hold itself. So I'll show you in that just a minute. And you just take this, you attach it to the ball joint right there. So this is a really convenient thing to use if you are watching a lot of media, or you just need to use your phone without touching it for some time. You're just watching a movie, suppose, or something on YouTube. Then you can prop your phone into this and you can watch hands free and almost at any angle. And see, this is a ball joint, so you can adjust the viewing angle to your convenience too. This is just an example as how you can use it. I have attached it to my study desk. So I've attached it to my study desk and bent it a couple of times to get the right angle for myself. So as you can see, my study desk is quite thick too, and it manages that, and it provides a really good viewing experience and an angle, and it's a really nice product. So those are 5 smartphone accessories that I use in my daily life. If you guys like the video, tell me what you think in the comment section below. If you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel. It's a great support for me. That being said, my name is Ravi Naman. This is our Tech. Thank you for watching.